Welcome to NetBlok 3D, the first cloud-based software for hydraulic manifold design. Using only an internet connection, there is no need for heavy desktop products, expensive CAD software, or troublesome updates to start designing. Simply log in and get started. The first step in designing is interpreting a circuit. Users can trace networks, insert cavities, and make connections quickly and easily. Movement is as easy as drag and drop, but can be precise when needed. Users can assign both cavity and network information on the fly using the provided properties panels. Connecting cavities is simple and intuitive, as connecting cavities inherit network information from pre-assigned components. If users have an XML from Hydra or NetScheme, that schematic can be imported with all cavity and network information, and users can simply drag and drop cavities onto the block. Components can either be loosely dropped on the block surface or specifically placed at predetermined X and Y coordinates. Inclinations and rotations are easy to do in the Cavity Properties panel. When working from a schematic, construction ports are not included. However, they are required to make some connections, especially when components have preferred faces. Inserting a construction port is as easy as going to the library, selecting a port, dropping it on the surface of the block, and using it to connect the desired cavities. NetBlok 3D makes it easy to distinguish construction ports with the Show Hide Components option. Plugs will appear on construction ports, but can be hidden if necessary. Some situations may require the use of an orifice plug. Using the orifice command, users can easily add orifice plugs to existing cavities, and NetBlok 3D will pre-sort libraries and only display potential plugs with diameters smaller than the parent cavity. CAD models can also be added to the block. NetBlok 3D uses generic lightweight models to aid in visualization of the complete manifold, so interference can easily be avoided. They can also be hidden with the Show Hide Components option. Some of the most important features of NetBlok 3D are the design check tools. Each cavity can be interrogated using tools to measure the distance between cavities, measure the wall thickness between cavities, and display the cavity's machining sequence. Users can use the Design Check tool to check the block for dangerous defects, including broken networks, clearance with the manifold face, wall thickness between components, and intersections with dead areas. This design check is modeled after the one used in the desktop product, MD Tools, to proofread designs prior to manufacturing. Once a design is constructed, users can save the drawing to the desktop or another local folder with the Save command. Designs are not saved on the cloud, but in the event of a crash, the application will reopen to the active design. Once a design is saved, the user can create a layout drawing. The drawing and block will be emailed to the user as a PDF, DWG, STEP, and MBXML file. STEP files can be opened in any CAD platform, and the MBXML can either be reopened in NetBlok 3D, NetBlok 3D Inspect, or MD Tools. Visit netblok3d.com to request a free trial and start designing today.